You are settling in for a long, incredibly boring highway road trip. You hit the cruise control button on your steering wheel to finally rest your right foot, and absolutely nothing happens. There is no indicator light on the dash, no speed holding, just a frustratingly dead system that forces you to manage the throttle manually for the next 500 miles. That complete lack of response accompanied by a check engine light usually means your engine computer has triggered a P0575 diagnostic trouble code, which points directly to a general malfunction in the cruise control input circuit. The engine control module spends its entire life balancing emissions, fuel economy, and engine performance, but it also manages driver comfort features like cruise control. When you press those steering wheel buttons, you are sending a specific electrical resistance signal to the computer. If the computer detects an open circuit, a short to ground, or a completely erratic voltage spike from that switch array, it will instantly disable the entire cruise control system as a basic safety precaution so the car does not accelerate uncontrollably. Now, you might be wondering how a switch inside the cabin just randomly fails. Believe it or not, one of the absolute most common causes for this specific code is that sticky cup of morning coffee or soda you accidentally spilled on the steering wheel a few months ago. The sugary liquid slowly seeps deep down into the multifunction switch and severely corrodes the tiny copper contacts over time. Your best diagnostic approach is to grab a digital multimeter, look up the factory wiring diagram for your specific make and model, and test the resistance values coming directly out of that switch assembly when you press the buttons. If the switch reads completely dead or out of specification, it has to be replaced. Keep in mind that replacing a steering wheel switch often means working right next to the explosive airbag module, so you absolutely must disconnect the negative battery cable and wait at least 15 minutes before you start pulling any steering column covers off. Interestingly enough, even though a broken cruise control button does not affect how your engine physically runs, simply having this P0575 code actively stored in the computer can actually cause you to fail a state emissions test. So you definitely want to get it fixed and clear the codes out properly.